Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexey, and today what we're gonna be doing is take a look at Dave Pensado's Reverb trick. Dave Pensado is a Grammy Award-winning mix engineer who has been working with such great musicians as Christina Aguilera, Shakira, Michael Jackson, and many more. In our today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at Dave Pensado's Reverb trick to make any vocals sound wider in any mix. First of all, let's have a listen to our lead vocal.
Was taking over, we're catching vibes. Pulling me closer, baby, I'm magnetized. So used to dodging feelings, but this feels nice. So give me more of it, girl, if you like it.
To make our lead vocal sound wider, first of all we have to duplicate our lead vocal. And in Studio One, to duplicate any audio track, first of all you have to highlight lead vocal, then you should use right click of your mouse. And here you should choose Duplicate Track Complete. So here we have a duplicated version of our lead vocal audio track. Then we have to create a new bass track. And in this case it's called New Delay Throw, like in original Dave Pensado's video. And now let's take a look at plugins we're gonna be using on our New Delay Throw bass channel to make our lead vocal sound wider. First of all, in his original video Dave Pensado used Waves Audio DSer to control highs on reverb. Then in his original video Dave Pensado used Pro Tools Stack Mod Delay. I'm using Studio One 6 Stack Analog Delay, and it has the same settings as Dave Pensado used for his mod delay in his original video. After Studio One Stack Analog Delay, I'm using Waves Audio Edge Delay like Dave Pensado used in his original video. And finally, in my case, I'm using Edge Reverb. Finally, I'm sending New Delay Throw to our duplicated lead vocal audio channel. Now let's have a listen to our duplicated lead vocal with audio effects on. Now let's have a listen to our lead vocal.
Was taking over, we're catching vibes. Pulling me closer, baby, I'm magnetized. So used to dodging feelings, but this feels nice. So give me more of it, girl, if you like it.
So one more time, let's have a listen to our lead vocal only.
Was taking over, we're catching vibes. Pulling me closer, baby, I'm magnetized. So used to dodging feelings, but this feels nice. So give me more of it, girl, if you like it.
Now let's have a listen to our lead vocal one more time with Dave Pensado's Reverb trick.
Was taking over, we're catching vibes. Pulling me closer, baby, I'm magnetized. So used to dodging feelings, but this feels nice. So give me more of it, girl, if you like it.
If you want to learn from Dave Pensado how to mix, you can check out his Pensado's Place YouTube channel. All the links will be in the info box of this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.